This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Frushel. Sought after 3/2/2 with DEN pool and SBA. Natural light abounds in this charming home. Updated windows and glass sliding doors. The spacious living room overlooks the tranquil pool/spa area, great for entertaining. The retractable awning is a bonus for extra shade. Lanai overlooks the lake for a little piece of your own paradise. The charming dinette is surrounded with windows in the kitchen for a great spot to have coffee in the morning. Primary bedroom enjoys a large walk-in closet and additional closet for more storage. Ensuite primary bath has dual sinks, walk-in shower and lots of cabinet storage. This desirable split plan has 2 roomy bedrooms and a full bath. The classic kitchen has loads of counter and cabinet space. Water softening and filter system installed. Inside laundry room with utility sink. 2-car garage has plenty of room for cars and all your beach toys. Paver driveway is extended for lots of parking. Home is a quick walk to the country club, so no need to drive to be able to enjoy a round of golf, tennis or a delicious meal. Water heater 2021, AC 2015. Stoneybrook Golf and Country Club is a gated community, close to everything Sarasota has to offer. Legacy Trail, beaches, shopping, the arts and more. Stoneybrook showcases top-notch amenities including an 18-hole Arthur Hills designed golf course, Har-Tru tennis facilities, pickleball, bocce court, fitness center, full-service restaurant/bar/meeting rooms, additional heated pool/spa, an abundance of walking/biking trails, fishing, lots of activities to choose from including mahjongg, yoga, bridge, book club, arts and crafts and much more. Discover Florida living at its finest and inspire to live your best life in Stoneybrook Golf and CC. Highest and best offers due Sat. December 11, 2021 by 3 p.m. local time. For more information, review the details below.